This poem is drawn from Nature's Flow by teacher Myung, page 161. Wind2. When the wind blows, man asks why the wind is blowing. Man's mind changes day and night. If you were to ask me why, I would tell you that it is because of the fixed habits of his body. Man judges and resents the blowing wind, but the wind does not give care to this. Without notice or warning, the wind tries to coax him, even provoke him, so that he may seek to understand its will. The wind does this without the mind of having done it. The wind is without a mind, but man judges it. He even curses it, all the while pretending to be good to others that are the same religion as him, and to Jesus, Gautama Buddha, and Muhammad. For sure, he does not curse them. The wind does not resent man who is childish. It does not even pretend to hear man, but simply goes about doing its duty, silently and heedlessly. The wind blows regardless of man and his mind.